Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the ice auger motor in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a large flathead screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the left side refrigerator door and pull out the ice bucket. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screw securing the ice wire harness cover. With the screw unthreaded, you can pull the cover straight out to remove. Depress the tabs to disconnect the wire harness connector. Next, unthread the screw securing the lower ice maker cover. Use the large flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tab to release the cover. Use the screwdriver to help detach the refrigerant tubing from the bottom of the ice maker. Now depress the retaining tab at the top and pull the ice maker assembly forward and down to remove. This may require some effort. Next, use the small flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tab to disconnect the auger wire harness connector. Insert the large flathead screwdriver under the auger motor assembly retaining clip, then rotate to lift up the clip. You can now pull the assembly out. Unthread the screw securing the solenoid bracket cover. Use the small flathead screwdriver to depress the 3 tabs to release the cover. Now use the large flathead screwdriver to help loosen the nut so you can unthread the nut and auger drive gear from the motor shaft. Disconnect the motor wire connector and use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to release the grounding wire from the solenoid. You can now unthread the 3 mounting screws, securing the motor to the housing. With the screws unthreaded, you can pull the old motor out. This may require some effort. To prepare the new ice auger motor for installation, transfer the shield from the old motor to the new one. Now feed the grounding wire through the channel in the housing and position the new motor. Thread the 3 mounting screws to secure. Thread the screw to secure the grounding wire to the solenoid. Connect the motor wire connector. Thread the auger drive gear and nut onto the new motor shaft. And use the screwdriver to tighten. Keeping the wires secure in the slot, realign and snap the solenoid bracket cover into place. Rethread the mounting screw. Confirm all of the wiring is secured. Realign the ice auger motor assembly in the housing and push it back until it locks into place. Connect the auger wire harness connector. Reposition the ice maker assembly in the housing so the refrigerant tubing feeds through the space between the ice maker tray and the hinged lower cover. Then align the slots on the housing mounting posts and push back until the assembly is fully seated. Press the refrigerant tubing into place under the tray and close the cover. Rethread the screw to secure the cover. Connect the ice wire harness connector and secure all wiring behind the clips. Realign the tabs on the wire harness cover with the slots in the ice maker housing and push the cover straight back. Thread the screw to secure. Replace the ice bucket. Plug the power cord back in. And the refrigerator should be ready for use.